So here's the first wrist exercise. Hands together. Sit tall, have your back straight. Lean forward. Imagine setting your elbows in the keys and lifting your feet up and down. Feel that whole core body weight in the keys. And that's what you release on the way up as it sinks, as it gets decelerated and then accelerates suddenly right into your lap, right to the floor. And then you're hanging like on the edge of a cliff with each finger. But it's a quick wrist action. Think of a V out. Imagine your wrists not like this, but this way. And then keep the arches straight, the main arch of the knuckles. Things happen down from that, even though it's a wrist exercise. So. Heavy ragdoll arms, just completely loose, elbows free to swing. If somebody pulls out, they fall back. We can keep going down till the E. And this sets you up for the next one that is much harder, and I'll explain it in the next tutorial. But it uses the notes of C major, only the thumbs are an octave apart. So you're over those notes. So I'll explain that in the next video. It's a really good one because it lets you learn all your keys, major, minor, and then preparation through the diminished seventh to the, and you go through all your keys that way. Anyway, this one's short. Have a good night. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.